Having trouble with the WhatsApp not saving photos and videos to your iPhone gallery? This could be due to wrong settings, low storage, or app restrictions. In this video, I'll walk you through how to fix autosave issues on WhatsApp. Let's dive in. Before doing anything else, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Turn on and off airplane mode. Solution 1. Check auto download settings. First, open up the WhatsApp app again. Tap the settings from below. Now scroll down a little bit. After that, tap storage and data. Scroll down again. Tap photos under media auto download. Select Wi-Fi and cellular data. And then go back and tap video. And again, select Wi-Fi and cellular data. Solution 2. Enable save to photos. Go to the WhatsApp app. Next, tap on the settings from below. Tap chats. Now toggle on the option called save to photos. Now check your issue whether it is solved or not. If not, follow my next solutions. Solution 3. Allow full access to photos. Open up the settings app. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap apps. Now find out the WhatsApp app. After that, tap on it. Next, tap on the photos. Make sure the full access is selected here. Solution 4. Turn off restrictions. Go to the settings again. Scroll down a little bit. After that, tap screen time. Scroll down again. Tap content and privacy restrictions. Now toggle off the content and privacy restrictions option. Solution 5. Check iPhone storage. Open up the settings app again. Tap general. Now tap iPhone storage. Check your available space. Delete unnecessary files or apps if needed. Alright everyone, I hope your autosave problem on WhatsApp for iPhone is all sorted now. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.